Today we're going to make Chipotle sweet potatoes. We need 1 large sweet potato, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and 2 Chipotle peppers with 2 teaspoons of adobo sauce. We're going to start by peeling and chopping our large sweet potato. We're going to add our chopped sweet potato to a pot of cold water and add salt. We're going to put this on the stove on high heat and bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, cover and reduce heat. While the sweet potatoes are cooking, finely dice 2 Chipotle peppers. After 10 minutes, the sweet potatoes should be soft enough to mash. Transfer them to a large mixing bowl and mash well with a fork. Add the Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce and stir to combine. A pinch of salt, fresh black pepper, and the heavy cream. Add the cream in batches until you get to the desired consistency. Spicy Chipotle sweet potatoes. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Hungry Tommy here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.